Hello, my name is Mr. Hubler, and today I'd like to go over standard operating procedure on how students add iPads to our Southern High School network. What you'll need for this is a Mac Mini, a USB hub, and approved iPad devices. Once you have these, you can log on to the Mac server using the help desk credentials. Those credentials can be found in the help desk standard operating procedure. Once you've logged on to the help desk Mac Mini, you'll need to make sure that your iPads are all plugged into the hub and that the hub itself is then plugged into the Mac Mini like so. Once you have the iPads plugged in, then you'll need to access the Apple configurator. Located on the task tray, you should see a purple icon in the bottom right hand corner right by the trash bin. Clicking on that purple icon will open the Mac Apple configurator. Let's try again. Clicking on the purple icon will open up the Apple configurator. Once the Apple configurator is open, you'll need to do a few things and check the settings to make sure the name that you want to use for the series of iPad is correct. Then you want to make sure that the profile is selected appropriate for what you want to use these devices for. Once those devices are selected, you're going to want to check and see what applications are listed underneath the application list. Make sure that all the applications are selected appropriate for this configuration. Do one more check to make sure that the settings are correct, and then you'll click Prepare. Once Prepare has been selected, you'll notice that it will show you the amount of time it takes to prepare the iPad. Clicking the drop-down arrow will give you the progress to give you an estimated time and let you know what applications are successfully installed. Now you'll notice that the 4 iPads are listed under the Supervised section of Apple Configurator. To bring that up, you'll first need to stop the update process that is now completed. Clicking the icon will give you 2 options. One will show you all the devices that you have prepared and are supervised by the Apple configurator, and the other is the devices that are connected directly to the USB. Since I want to manage only the devices connected, that's the option I'll choose, the one where the USB is connected directly to the Mac Mini. From here you can provide any software updates or changes to the name or even the profile of the iPad that's being supervised. Once you've closed the Apple configurator, you'll need to do one more step. On each iPad, you'll have to go through the initial setup to make sure that it is finally set up on Southern's network. A few options and the iPad will be ready to go. The first thing you'll need to do is select the language, English. Select the country or region, which should be the United States. Make sure that it is on JCPS wireless network. Welcome to the iPad. Click Get Started. Now you can look at the iPad and see the profile has been installed by checking and making sure the applications have been applied. I hope that was informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.